Did you know there's a bird that travels farther than any other animal on Earth? The Arctic tern makes an incredible journey every year, flying from the Arctic all the way to Antarctica and back, a round trip of about 70,000 kilometers, 43,000 miles. Chasing summer all year long, this small but mighty bird experiences more daylight than any other creature on the planet. Over its lifetime, an Arctic tern can fly a distance equal to 3 trips to the moon and back. It's one of nature's greatest travelers and a true champion of endurance. For more fascinating facts, stories, and songs, visit www.youtube.com at HighTen Kids.